Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Trader channel. Today we are going to see the BTC Bitcoin price movement by using the candlestick chart pattern. Bitcoin now market cap around 38 trillion and circulating supply 19.1 BTC only, 19.1 million BTC only, and Bitcoin in currently ranking number 1 holding in crypto market. Now BTC follow this trend line in last 2 months. I'm just showing last 1 month following this trend line. And actually BTC following these two trend line only last few months. Last month fully this following these trends only. And now I am taking the red box zone. Red box zone is nothing but it is a last breakout point and a last breakdown point. Here last breakdown point is around, now it's BTC holding at 20 lakhs around, today is around 20 lakhs 20,000 to 20 lakhs 40,000 rupees only. Now it's in price about 20 lakh 45,000, and the last breakout point almost 20 lakhs 71 73,000 only is 20 lakhs 70,000. It's a last breakout point, that is a red box. I mark as a red color, and a breakout point, that one breakdown point. And next we are going to take a breakout point, and here I am going to draw the breakdown point, and is actually indicating at around 19,000, sorry 18.56,000, 18 lakh 56,000. Okay, today is moving almost going to touch the 20 lakh 70,000 rupees in Indian rupees. If trend line touching today 20 lakh 70,000 rupees, then it will go to the, if price movement is good, and it will go to the price movement and everything is good, FMOC is everything good, it will go to the last breakdown point. I'm going to brush 24,000 nearly will come. This is the last breakdown point, so almost 24 lakhs we will get if it is a breakdown, that 20 lakhs 70,000, it will move to the 24 lakhs around. It is if trend line flipping, BTC now it will flip the trend line, it will go to 18 lakhs. it will go to the 18 lakhs. If it is lost the trend line, again we will go to the almost 15 to 16 lakhs, around 16 lakhs you will get. So carefully trade today. If it is going to break down current point 20 lakhs and 45,000, if it is break down that point, we will get around 24 to 25 lakhs. If it is lost the trend line, we will go to the 18 lakhs. And this is a current BTC price movement. So trade carefully. We will see the result in next 2 days. Thank you guys, and subscribe my channel and support my channel. Thank you.